Hey everyone, good evening from India. My name is Ayush and we are building Huddle Zero One. Huddle Zero One is revolutionizing video conferences using blockchain and Web3 technology. So on the right side of the screen, you can see my nephew, Naman. He lives in a tier 3 city in India. He does his classes online using Zoom, but due to low bandwidth and high latency, he's forced to use WhatsApp to keep track of things he missed in the class. This leads to a bad learning experience. And unfortunately, this is the state of 300 million Namans in Southeast Asia. The problem goes much deeper, and hence I would comment centralized internet infrastructure is not prepared for e-learning. There is a low streaming quality and high latency. The solutions right now are not catered for the e-learning space. There is a high storage pricing. In terms of numbers, only 7% of the total recordings actually get stored. And this numbers becomes much worse in places where there is lesser currencies. There's a privacy and control issues. Presenting Huddle Zero One. Using decentralization, Huddle Zero One aspires to democratize access to e-learning. Thanks to our protocol, we have high streaming quality and low latency. We are built specifically for the e-learning space. We have economical storage options thanks to the Filecoin protocol, which is currently 9x cheaper than all the centralized storage options. We are secured and host controlled. So what's happening here? Let's see. Verticalization of Zoom is happening. If you want to have shared experience or want to build a community, you go on Discord. If you want to do a gathering, you go on Airmeet, Hopin, Remo. For team collaborations, you use Flock. Even Slack has its own video conferencing. But what about education? What about if a teacher needs to drop down an assignment really quickly? Or if a student needs to collaborate with other students? There is nothing out there, and that's where Huddle Zero One perfectly fits the picture. The best part is we are live. We have scaled to 50 participants in a meeting at once, and all the basic functionalities are live, which includes recording, screen share, chat, even reactions. We are coming up with more features like take a break, in which students can take a break in between, plus attendance tracker, take a poll, and this is just the tip of the iceberg. Just to show you how the platform looks right now, you start a meeting, you enter the meeting real quick, very less learning curve. You can switch off your video, switch on your video. You can do a screen share. You can raise hand. You can do chat. You can do reactions. You can even do full screen. You can check what your notifications are coming. And we are coming up with much more features, which you'll be seeing very soon on the platform. Instead of centralized servers, Huddle Zero One has its own protocol. Huddle Zero One is building a geographically distributed network, which has performance advantages. It has a lower latency and less than 100 milliseconds, and it will have improved quality. It will have decentralization and data integrity. The nodes are geographically distributed all over, and it's working in conjunction with the Filecoin protocol. Our go-to-market is fairly direct. We are reaching out to e-learning communities on Slack and Discord. And currently there are 75,000 communities on Slack and Discord in just Southeast Asian market. Hence, we are adding Huddle Zero One app to the Slack workspace. We are also reaching out to startups that offer cohort-based courses. Since everyone is moving away from massive online courses, which is MOOCs, to COOCs, we are also launching on Product Hunt. The market of EdTech is huge. It's $300 billion as a total addressable market. Since we are targeting Southeast Asia, the sizable addressable market is $40 billion. Capturing 1% of that market takes us to an obtainable market of $400 million. We have battle tested the product with 2,000 users who have used the product in the past 2 weeks. 38% of these users are returning users. Since we have inbuilt network effects, we are having an average muting duration time of 14 minutes and 20 seconds on our beta. And this is just under the global average of 16 minutes and 12 seconds. We have also achieved a latency of less than 200 milliseconds, and this will go to even lesser of 100 milliseconds once our protocol is live. Our business model is also fairly direct. It's a pure SaaS-based model where there are 3 features, which includes free, pro, and enterprise. And the features includes e-learning dashboard, white labeling, attendance tracker, customizable whiteboards, storage, and the number of participants. We do have competition, but our 3 attack vectors, namely low latency, e-learning features, and low storage costings, will lead us to capture the obtainable market. So Hurdle 01 took birth in ETH Global Hackathon, where we were category winners. We were also Gitcoin Apollo Fellows, where we got more than 30 contributors. In the 4th quarter, we were part of Tachyon Accelerator and also top 100 startups in Binance Build for Bharat. In the 1st quarter of 2021, we are locking in 5 EdTech clients. And the 2nd quarter, we are testing our Hurdle nodes and doing a $10,000 of MRR. In 3rd and 4th quarter, we are setting up a token economics, and in the 4th quarter, all the active Hurdle nodes will be deployed across the Southeast Asian region. We are also aiming at a $50,000 MRR. This is our team. I have been a growth lead at multiple B2B and B2C spaces. And talking about my co-founder and CTO, Sushmit, he co-founded India's first decentralized crypto exchange called OC2. It was acqui-hired by CoinDCX, and he was also a lead blockchain developer at CoinDCX, which is India's largest crypto exchange. Talking about our advisor, we are pleased to announce that Preeti Kasireddy is our advisor. She previously was founder and CEO of True Story and was also a partner at A16Z. With her experience, we'll be building a world-class product, and we are thankful for that. So for all our partners who are interested in our vision and what we are building, please reach us at ayush@hurdle01.com. In fact, visit us at beta.hurdle01.com. We are having a sign-up-a-thon where all the people who are visiting today, doing a meeting, and at the end of the day, signing up will get 50 GB of storage for free. And this is 50x more than what the current solutions provide for free. Thank you so much. This is Ayush, and would love to. Bye-bye.